In this video, I will explain what is a domain name, why you need it, and from where you can get it. A domain name is essentially your website name, just like google.com, youtube.com, or any other website. A domain name has mainly two parts. First is the website name, like in google.com. Google is the company name and .com is the extension. So there can be multiple extensions of any domain like google.org, .co, .net, etc. So the second question is why you need a domain name. Whenever you are creating a website, you want your users to be able to visit your website and remember its name in an easy way. Normally, all websites are hosted on server and they all have unique IP address, internet protocol address, just like your home address. It will be a number, numerical number. It's like 1.2.3.4. So that will be very difficult to remember. Just like your mobile contacts, it will be difficult to remember the contact number of everyone. Instead, it is very simple to remember their name and you can search for their name in your mobile. So just like that, a domain name points to the actual address of that hosted service. It can be a website, any type of website like e-commerce website, a blog, or anything, or just a server. So now you have understood what is a domain name and why you need it. And the most important question now is from where you can get it. So you have to purchase domain name on per year basis from domain registrars like Namecheap, GoDaddy, Google Domains, and there are many other domain registrars, but these are the popular ones and I have also used them. So in the video description, I will provide a link how to use all these services to purchase your domain step by step and also do a comparison which will be better. So the price of a domain name, a .com for example, because that is the most popular and trusted one, will be anywhere between $10 to $15 per year depending upon the domain registrar you are using. And if you are looking to create a website with your hosting, so you can also get free domain for the first year with some hosting plans. Usually if you are buying an annual hosting plan, the hosting provider will provide you a free domain name. So again, check the details in the description, or if you have any doubt about it, you can post in the comments. I will try to help you out. Else, if you just want to buy the domain name, you will have to purchase it for $10 to $15 per year basis. You can also purchase it for multiple years. So let's say you can purchase your domain name for next 3 years and then you will have to renew it. And the only exception is some domains are called premium domains, like the 3-letter domains or 2-letter or 4-letter domains, which are considered more valuable and their prices can go into thousands of dollars. There is no limit. So basically, once you purchase, if you have a ownership of a domain and let's say some company in future wants to buy that domain, and they will have to purchase it from you unless it is a copyrighted or trademark word, then they can force you to sell it to them. Else you can sell it to them for a very premium price. And a lot of people actually do this full-time basis. They will buy domain names and then wait for them to become valuable. So I will not go into too much details about that. But normally a domain will cost you between $10 to $15. And if you want to buy other extensions like .me, .tech, .co, so their prices will be different. So it can be anywhere between $20, $15. So all those extension prices will also be different. But I would suggest you to purchase a .com domain if you want to create a website for your business, your online store, or something like that. Else you can purchase a .me domain or .tech domain. So for some of these extensions also, for the first year you will get a huge discount, but from the second year onwards it will be expensive than the .com renewal fees. So make sure to keep that just keep that in mind when purchasing a domain. So once you have purchased your domain, you will get instruction from your hosting provider, or if you're using some service like Shopify, which will give you instruction how to connect your domain to the service that you are using. So if you have a hosting service, they will tell you to update the name servers, or if you have Shopify, they will tell you to update the CNAME or A records. So I hope you found this video useful. Please post your feedback in the comments, or if you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comments. I will try to help you out. So that's it guys for this video. I'll see you in the next video.